Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be looking at the Hubsan Zino. This is just the packaging that it came with. So once you open up the box, there's another box there, which the the actual box for the Hubsan Zino is. So let's just go ahead and take this out. Okay, so this is the actual box for the Hubsan Zino. I ordered this, and it actually came in today. But I ordered this with a drone bag. It doesn't come with a drone bag. I ordered the drone bag separately, but it came earlier than the Hubsan Zino did. So this came in today. The drone bag came in, I think a week earlier. I'll show you the drone bag along with the Zeno later on, and we're gonna be seeing if it actually fits with the slots that for the remote, for the batteries, and for the drone itself. But right now we're gonna be looking at up close and personal with the Hubsan Zino. So right off the bat, on the front here, we have the Hubsan logo up on the top left, and then we have the picture or the image of the drone itself. So this is the Hubsan Zino, and of course Zeno on the bottom left, and right on top, so you can see there's a little plastic handle. So you can actually use this as a drone bag, sort of a drone bag, if you haven't ordered one yet. So you can just pull this up, and you have like a little carrying case. So if you don't have the drone bag yet, you can probably use this, just so it's better than just putting the drone in your bag, or somewhere where it can easily get damaged. This way, it has a bit of protection, I guess, when you carry it around. Aside from that, on the side here, okay, so we just have the Hubsan logo on the right side. On the left side, we have the Hubsan logo, X Hubsan. So I guess this is the QR code for the FPV app, the X Hubsan. So I guess when you scan this, it goes directly to the link where you can download that. And on the bottom, there's another QR code for more product information. And then there's another QR code here. I don't know what this is for, but it looks like it's for product authenticity. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's for product authenticity. I guess this one is also for product authenticity. Let me just focus the camera so you can guys see it. There we go. So, and here's for the product information. Okay, so attention, keep battery temperatures between 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius when charging, or damage may occur. Alright. Not suitable for children under 14. This is not a toy. Alright, so this is obviously not a toy quadcopter. I actually ordered this for the sole reason of just bringing it to wherever I travel, just so I can take videos of the sites that I'll be seeing, and the places I'll be going to. Uh, I already did some research on the Hubsan Zino, and it actually is a pretty good quadcopter. It has a really nice camera in it, and it's not as expensive as the more famous DJI drones, but it does have its cons, and maybe we'll get to that later on. But right now, we're just gonna be doing an unboxing of the Hubsan Zino. So let's just see. Oh, all right. On the back part, we have Hubsan Zino here, and just another picture of the Zino. So let's just go ahead and open this up. Right, so here we have the Hubsan Zino. All right, so when you open it up, there's some writings here. I don't know if you guys can read this. It says, "We fly with your dreams." So that's a little nice touch to it. So when you open it up, here's the box. Here's the outside of the box, and then when you open it up, it says, "We fly with your dreams." So that adds a little bit of the premium feel to it, I guess. And then here, inside the box, we have the drone itself, the Hubsan Zino, and it has this little, I don't know, little boxes that just holds the drone in place. So let's just put this somewhere. And then here, just another box that puts the drone in place so it doesn't move around during the travel. So since it has those boxes there, you can definitely use this as like a drone bag, or like a drone carrying case, just in case you don't have the bag yet. So those boxes basically ensures that the drones doesn't get damaged when you move around. So right here we have Hubsan Zino itself. We're gonna be looking at that close up later on. Let's just check what the other boxes have. Okay, so here we have the Hubsan Zino remote. Is there anything else on the bottom? No. Okay, so just the remote. Feels hefty. It doesn't feel as light as like those toy drone remote controllers, like from SEMA. This actually has a bit of a premium feel to it. It's just that you can't really see much when it comes to I guess the writings. It doesn't have any black colors. It's just plain white, so you can't really see what button you're pressing. See, it says here normal and sport. This is what this hardware switch is for, but you can't really see it on camera. I guess if we focus it in, let me check. See, it says we're normal, and it says sport, but you can't really see it that much since it doesn't have any like black markings on it. But it feels good. Nice antennas. Here's the gimbal's rocker switch. Okay, so we'll check that out later on. And then we have a box of spare parts here. Okay, let's just focus this in. Alright, so we have a box of spare parts here. Let's just check this out. Actually a huge box. It's almost as big as the remote. See? Alright, let's just go ahead and open this up. Okay, so here we have... Oh, this is the... I'm not sure if other people who ordered their Zinos came in with this, but mine has this though. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Let me just focus this in. There we go. So this little wire here, and there's a QR code, I guess, on how you can use this. But this wire is actually for upgrading the firmware for your controller, right here. This is because if you watch the videos on how to update the firmware for the controller, this is actually the wire that you can put in to the bottom of the remote. There's a slot on the bottom of the remote wherein on some videos that I've seen, you actually have to make your own wire, which is like this. Either you make your own wire or you just jump it with some use aluminum foils, because there are two pins there wherein you have to connect them in order for you to be able to upgrade the firmware. So instead of you making your own makeshift wire for that, or just jumping it with an aluminum foil, Hubsan already included one, as you can see here, where you can just put it in on the bottom of your controller and use it to upgrade your firmware. So it's actually thoughtful of Hubsan to include this. I guess some of the people that bought the earlier versions of the Hubsan, I guess this isn't included in their kit. So I'm not sure if they have one or not, but mine has one. So it came with the spare parts box. Let's see what else is in here. We have a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver. There we go. And has a little nice tip cover so you don't injure yourself. What else does it come with? It comes with extra propellers. It has markings for which is A and which is B, and some screws there. That's nice. How many pairs are these? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these are actually okay, 4 sets of propellers. Extra propellers for your Zino. What else is in the box? Okay, we have the connector wires here. If I'm not mistaken, it's supposed to be 3. So yeah, we do have 3 here. So each one for one is for lightning, for those guys that uses iPhones. So you can use the lightning connector, the micro USB type, and then the third one is for the USB type C. Not sure if you can see this. There we go. The USB Type-C. So I'll be using this one since my phone uses a Type-C connector. Aside from that, what else do we have in the box? So this is the Hubsan balance charger. Little nice Hubsan balance charger. The charger doesn't feel premium, it feels light and cheap, but I haven't seen any videos wherein there's any reviews regarding the Hubsan balance charger that the Zino came with is good or bad, but I guess it fairly is okay when it comes to charging batteries, since there's no news with it failing. So I guess we can use this with confidence. Aside from that, we have, what else do we have? Okay, so I guess this is the charger for the controller. See, so this is a USB cord for the controller. It has a micro USB plug on the end. Okay. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but let me just zoom in, because I want you to actually see this. There we go. See that logo right there? I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with this logo, but I think this is the logo of Cherry Mobile. So if you don't know what Cherry Mobile is, it's actually a tech company. Well, I wouldn't say tech company, but basically they manufacture cell phones in the Philippines. So I believe this is their logo. If I'm just mistaken, then correct me if I'm wrong. But I've seen this logo already, and yeah, I think it's from some of the Cherry Mobile's chargers. I think I have the Cherry Mobile charger here. Let me check. Yeah, I don't have it here anymore, but I believe this is a logo of the Cherry Mobile. Anyway, what else do we have here? Okay, this is the charger for the battery itself. Okay. So yeah, this is the charger for the battery. And this is what you connect to the balance charger. So here's the balance charger. So you plug this in here. Just so. And then you can connect this end to the battery. And there's an adapter here. The adapter that the Zino comes with actually depends on what regulations your Hubsan Zino is for. Like for European versions, I think they have the 3-pin adapters, and then for North America, I think they have the 2-pin adapter, but with the round ones, the rounded pins. I'm in the Philippines, so our adapter is actually just a 2-pin flathead. I'm not sure what you call these types of pins, but there you go. So this adapter just connects to the balance charger. There's a male end, and then you just plug it into the balance charger, just so, and then you charge your battery. So there. I believe that's it for the spare box. So let's just put the charger aside. So I'm not seeing the battery. So I guess the battery is already inside. Yeah, it's already inside. It's actually pretty heavy. I mean, it feels premium. It doesn't feel like, those toy drones, or other drones that you actually see. It feels heavy. Okay, so there we have the battery. When you push these two pins here, you can pull this out. There we go. So you see the pins here? This is where you have to plug in the other end of the charger. You just push it in there, and that charges the battery. This isn't a smart battery. It's just like a regular battery. It's a 3000 milliamps, 11.4 volts, lithium poly. What else is in here? Yep. Looks good. The drone actually feels light without the battery, but when you put in the battery, feels a lot heavier. Please extend the arms to the maximum angle before takeoff. Okay. There's markings all over the drone like that. And we have the gimbal cover right here. So let's just open this up real quick just to see how it all unfolds. There's a nice click to it when you open it up. So you have to unfold the front first and then the back ones, because if you unfold the back ones first, you won't be able to unfold the front ones, because the landing legs will get in the way. So make sure you unfold the front first before the back ones. So here we go. This is the full size of it. There we go. Right, nice drone. And then the gimbal cover. Can take this off. There we go. Okay, so yeah, there we go. Little gimbal cover there. Sorry, not sure if you can see it. So yeah, there we go. So this is a 3-axis gimbal. Awesome. Okay, it's just there's a little cover. Put it in. Yeah. Just clip it. When you take it off, you just pull it. There we go. Let's just put this back in. Let's fold it up And let's see. Let's see and check the controller. Let's just put it back here. Okay, so let's check out this controller. Okay, so this controller, you can pull at the bottom of it. See, there's a latch here. So you can pull that out, and here, this is where you can actually put your phone. It actually is pretty big. It has a big space here, so you can probably like fit in a small tablet, I guess. See how it's almost as big as the Hubsan Zino, the space. That's really big. And here, I'll show you guys. See that little see that little hole there that has pins? There we go. See? The last two pins to the left is the two pins wherein you'll be putting this in. Remember the wire where you can use to update the firmware for the controller? This is what you use this for. The last two pins on that hole. So if you need more information on how to do that, you can watch videos. There's lots of videos on YouTube on how to do that. Alright. Feels good. Actually feels good. There's the charging port. This has a built-in battery, by the way. That's why you have the charging port there. And just there we go. Looks nice. Looks really nice. Awesome. Cool. Awesome. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't see any like instruction manuals. Oh, there's an instruction manual on the spare box. We didn't see it. See, it was hidden there. I was looking for this. See what we have here. Zino, version 3. So I'm not sure what other like quick start guides or instruction manuals they have, but I guess this is version 3. I guess this is what V3 stands for. So there we go. Quick start guide. Zino. Right. Quick start guide right there. Hubsan app, the battery, aircraft components. Oh, see, there's instructions on how to install the props. But Zino already came in with installed props, so you'll probably just use this if you want to replace the props. If you damage one of the props, you can put in one of the spare props that it came with. Tells you how to use the controller. There's also instructions here on how to pair your mobile device. So when you already have the X Hubsan app downloaded on your phone, you can use this instruction manual to figure out how you can connect your phone to the drone. Also has directions here, how to arm or disarm your motors, how to land, how to take off, how to do the compass calibration. There we go. Alright. How to connect your cables, how to pair the device. What else? Alright, yeah. Auto takeoff, land, return home, and the aircraft LED indications. Alright. Okay. And by the way, this doesn't come with the micro SD card that you can use to record your videos. But if I'm not mistaken, oh, where is that? Oh, here it is. Let's just unfold this, and the bottom, the rear ones. Oh, it's not on this side, so it's in the other side. Okay. So it's on the left side of the drone. There we go. See that holes there? This is for the micro USB port for updating the firmware for the drone itself. And here we have the micro SD card slot. So if you want to save your videos, you can put in a micro SD card here and it'll save to there. And that micro SD card slot is also used to actually update the firmware for your camera. So this is actually a multi-purpose micro SD card slot there. It doesn't have any covers or anything. It's just slots. I think Hubsan could have just like put a simple cover here, like a rubber grommet, I guess. Just a simple cover here, so dust doesn't just come in. Later on. Just a little, nice addition for a more premium feel, I guess. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the Hubsan Zino. I don't think we have any more stuff in the box other than that. So now we'll just check the drone bag that I bought separately with the sling, so you can carry it around. We'll check how this fits into the drone bag. I'm not sure if it actually fits, but we'll see. So let me just put this aside. And I'm going to be getting the drone bag So we can check that out. Okay, so here we have the drone bag. There we go. Yeah, so carrying handle here, and then it has the sling. So you can carry it on your shoulders. Then when you open it up, it actually has zippers. I just opened it already. Okay, so here we have like a place where you can put in your wires, I guess, or your chargers. And then here we have the slots. For this one is for the remote. So let me just get the remote real quick. Yeah, so here we have the remote. So you just put it in there. Yeah. Fits nice. Fits perfect. Awesome. And now we'll get the drone battery. Okay, so here we have the drone battery. So I'm not sure how to put this in, but I guess it fits in like there, right? Like here. Yeah, there we go. Fits in perfect. Awesome. This is awesome. Alright, so you can fit in 3 batteries here. So one here, second one here, the third one here. I'm not sure what this is for. I guess these are for the extra props, I guess. I don't know. Would they fit there? Maybe. Nope, they don't fit. Oh, okay. Here they do fit. There we go. But I'm not sure if that's actually for the propellers. So if any of you guys that are watching now know what these slots are for, just let me know in the comments below, so I can use them for what they're actually intended for for using. As of now, I don't think I'll be putting in anything there. Maybe my charger, I guess. Let me just check. Okay, so here we have the adapter. You think that fits there? Okay. Okay, so the adapter fits there. And then this small hole right here looks like the balance charger fits in like so. So I guess this is what it's for? I guess. If I'm wrong, let me know. And this wire, I guess it... Where does this one go? Here? Or is this where props are supposed to go? The props are actually longer than... I'm not sure if they go there. But I guess this is what I'll be putting here. Oh, awesome. So, I didn't notice that, but see how there's like this little... Oh, let me just focus this. See how the charger for the battery has like this little rubber thing hanging? This is actually to cover these pins right here, like so they don't get damaged. Nice. I didn't see that earlier. Okay, so I guess I'll just be putting this here. Okay. What else? Oh yeah, the drone. Yeah. So how does this go in? Is it like this, or is it like this? I'm confused. Oh yeah, okay. So it goes on like this. Okay, so there we go. Actually fits nicely. Yeah. Fits perfect. It's a bit snug. Make sure your blades aren't in the way when you put this in, just so you don't damage the blades. But once you have it in there, actually feels really nice. There we go. Yeah. Awesome. And I guess the spare props and the instruction manual and the adapter for upgrading the controller, just put it in here, along with the controller for the charger, the flathead screwdriver, and the instruction manual. Let's just put it in there, and there we go. And we just close this up. They actually get in the way. I'm not sure if I'll be putting these here. I guess we can put this somewhere else. So I guess the props can stay here. So for now, I'll be putting my flathead screwdriver here, where the battery's supposed to go. And since I don't have the third battery as well, I'll be putting the charging connector for the controller on the third battery slot, just so they don't get squished when the props are here, because I don't want anything getting damaged. There we go. So you can just close that. And there we go. We are ready.